Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a survey with Likert Scale using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. I have created a WordPress website using InstaWP. This is the finest platform to create a disposable WordPress website and test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can build a quick WordPress website in no time by just clicking a button. I have already installed the QSM plugin on the website. To learn how to install and configure QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating a survey form. Hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Once you click on Create New Quizzes or Surveys or Add New button, we'll see a collection of themes for the survey. QSM is a collection of stunning themes, but I don't require a theme for this survey, so let's go with the default theme and click on Next. Now, on the quiz setting page, we get an option for the initial setup of our form. I'm setting up a name for the form and selecting what kind of form we are using. You can even set up a time limit on your survey if required, and you could select if you wish to show your survey only to the logged-in users. In my case, I don't need those, so I'm just skipping on those and clicking on Next. Now comes the add-ons section, where we get to see the popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, or surveys. Currently, I don't need any feature add-ons, so let's click on Create Quiz. We have reached the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for our customers. Let's start by entering some questions into our survey. Let's start with the first one. After entering the question, select a type of question from the drop-down on the right-hand side. I'm selecting the radio grid type question here. I'm creating a scale of 1 to 5 to understand the satisfaction level of the event conducted. If you want, you can mark the question as required so the question can't be skipped. Once you're happy with the entered questions and the options, click on Save Question. Our first question is saved. I will show you one more different question for your reference. Let's click on Create a New Question at the bottom of the Questions tab and duplicate the button, or Duplicate button on the Question tab. On the second question, I am again selecting Radio Grid type question here because you'll need this type of question to create Likert scale questions. Once you've filled in the question, click on Save Question. Now, since all the questions are saved, let's set up a contact field to collect the details of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, select the field type, and label it as Name. Let's add another contact field to take the respective date. Select the field type as Date, and label it as Date. Then, click on the Save Contact field. Now our question for the form is set, and the contact field is configured. Let's preview our survey by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you see, we have successfully created the Likert Scale Survey, and it works just right. And that's all for this video. How do you plan on using QSM plugin? Let us know in the comments section. Stay tuned for new tips on using QSM plugin. Until next time, stay safe, bye-bye.